you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is weekly weigh-in video. As you saw in the beginning of this video, or I recorded last week weigh-in that didn't repost it any video for the weigh-in last week because the monthly friend, I was about to get my monthly visit, so I decided to not post last week and then do it 2 weeks in a row, like 2 weeks in one video. So that's why I'm posting it today. Today is Monday the 3rd. I'm gonna be posting this today or the latest tomorrow. So like you saw, I gained 1 pound last week, but like I said, I was about to get my monthly visit, so I didn't worry about that. Today I weighed again 4 pounds or 3 compared to last week weigh-in. But like I said, I was about to get my monthly visit. I'm still on my monthly visit week, so I'm not worried about that. What I I noticed this month that when I get my monthly visit, I don't know if it's I'm really in sync with my body. I don't know if it's because I'm still healing. I'm still healing on my surgery, but I did feel like I was way hungrier. I mean, like I met my macros and everything, and I was still feeling hungry. I did some research, and I'm gonna keep doing more research. And yeah, apparently it's normal that you get a little bit hungrier during this time of the month because of all the hormonal changes, all ups and downs on your hormones. So basically that's what I found. Like I said, I'm gonna keep looking into that and see what else I can find. Check if I should adjust my macros during this week. So yeah, basically 3 pounds gain. So I'm gonna wait until next week that I should be done with my monthly visit, or my monthly visit, my monthly friendly, whatever you want to call it, and see my real weight, because as you know, we gain around 3 to 6 pounds approximately this time of the month. So yeah, I'm gonna wait until next Monday and see my real weight. I've been done pretty well this week. There was like 1 or 2 days that I know I didn't track because I didn't feel like it. That is something that I know that I have to work on tracking my macros. But I know that there was like 1 or 2 days that I know that I ate more than I should, because like I said, yeah, I was eating more. I ate more than I should, and when it comes to my carbs, that's also something that I found, that this time of the month the body tend to crave carbs. So I will have, that's one of the things that I want to do more research on, and see if my body, like I can give some carbs, like healthy carbs, and see how my body responds to that, meaning that can stop the cravings. So yeah, basically this is the update for the weekly weigh-in. See you in my next video. Hopefully it's gonna be up by this weekend. This weekend video is gonna be a good one, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, and remember to ring that bell. That way you can get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like this video, comment below if you notice something different when you are on your monthly visit. And remember, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.